And we're live in a minute. Uh, Saying something. Um, First off, this is for all states. I don't know where they gonna hit, but it's by the numbers. Okay, it's by the numbers. It's strictly by the numbers. So if you are a player that believe in playing these, I'm gonna try my best to give you a time frame as to when they will pop off. Okay, this is for all states. This is a short, sweet, and simple class. It's just off of math. Like I said, I don't know where they gonna pop off. Um, but if you are one of the players that believe in playing these, I'm going to give you a time frame as to when. It's by the numbers. This is the time frame that this can happen. Like I said, this is for all states. This is Pick 3 lottery that I'm talking about on this channel. So if you're not on here um, interested in that subject, you can make your exit now. Okay? Pick 3 lottery. This is what this is about. Like I said, this is for all states. Basically, we enter into a time frame. The time frame that we're entering into is a triple time frame. Okay, triples don't hit in every state. Triples don't hit in every state, but there are certain time frames as to when triples are a good play. This is a time frame when triples are in a good play. I'm gonna tell you about it. 7-8. Today's the 8th. The 8th through the 14th is the time frame for the triple players. Okay, I'm gonna write down the triples that I see. Like I said, it's based off the numbers, and um, we're gonna see who hit what. 8th through the 14th. Okay, 8. A 8 flips to a 1. Okay, 8 flips to a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, ones plus twos give you threes. Okay, and I didn't just write down any triples or whatever. It's a reason as to why I'm writing down the triples that I'm writing down. First off, look at the numbers. 8, 8, 8 plus 3. Add or subtract 3 if I'm flipping a number. So if I flip this number backwards, this 8 will turn into a 5. If I flip this number forwards, 8, 9, 10, 11, it turns to a 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Like how I said, if I flip this 8 backwards, I would take 3 from it and would turn it to 5. If I take 5 from this 8, which is mirroring it, mirroring is basically you look in the mirror. What do you see? You see yourself. So when it comes to numbers, when I say mirror, a mirror number is basically same as. So a 8 is same as a 3. A 8 is same as a 1. Okay. 14. Already got my ones. Already got my fours. Okay. The same with the flip. If I take this 4 and I flip it backwards, I'm adding or I'm subtracting 3. So I'm going backwards. So 4 minus 3 gives me a 1, which is right next to it. So this 14 is the same as saying 1, 1. Get the numbers. Okay. The same for the quads. One, 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 two, 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 four, 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 four. They got a commercial like that. Three, 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 three. Now I got a term that I call reset when it comes to the numbers. Reset. Reset is basically starting over in the middle mark. And what I'm saying by the middle mark, out of a 12-month calendar, reset or halfway from 12 would be 6. We're in the 7th month, so we already passed over 6. Therefore, we didn't get them. And when I'm saying we, I'm speaking in terms of Ohio. But like I said, it's for all states. But just this note in for Ohio, the half mark being 6. We're in the 7th month and we didn't get them. And what I mean by get them is when I say reset, reset, pulling the plug, starting over, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So you triples or you quad players, this is the big box right here. Okay. This is the big box. I tricked y'all ass. I wanted to see who was gonna tap in. It started off as an only triple video, but don't be surprised if your favorite quad hit. Like I said, all states, the 8th through the 14th, ones, twos, fours, threes, zeros. Ones, twos, fours, threes, zeros. Good for all states, the 8th through the 14th. Okay. And where the 0 came from, to add another note, back to flipping the mirror, 7th, we're in our 7th month. We're in our 7th month. A 7 is a 0. A 7 is a 4. A 7 is a 2. So look for these 3 digits right here to the right of the screen to be hot and active throughout the month of July. And your pick 3, excuse me, and your pick 3, your pick 4, or your pick 5. 0, 4, 3. These 3 numbers are going to be very hot in the month of July. And if I go further, I'll break down those numbers. A 0 is a 3. A 4 is a 1. And this 2 right here can bring you a 9 or a 6. So you don't really need the whole board. You need to just know what to use when it comes to the board, because the board is already set for the most part all over the world. You just got to see which way they're going on your board in your state. Okay. So this is the lesson that I got right here. That's a side note. July 7. A 7 is a 0. A 7 is a 4. A 7 is also a 2. A 0 is a 3. A 4 is a 1. A 2 is a 9 or a 6. So this is what I got. Um, and we're gonna see what it do. We'll talk about it later, y'all. C. Jones Lotto Licks. Triple O crop run.